Let's see here. Ew. Ugh! Ow! My nose! Don't read and walk, loser. Aw, man. Just my luck. Where is it? Oh, it broke. Oh no! I gotta go. Phew. Okay, class. Say hello to Miss Kitty. You know what to do. Miss Kitty? I can't draw her with this stump. Draw a cat. Say no more. I can barely hold onto this thing. Hey, Betty? Can I? No. Oh. Now what? Wait! Maybe I can make this work! If I can't find my normal crayons, I'll just have to make them myself. With a little extra flair, of course. Aw, just look at that smirk! Tape time! Now just cut along the lines. And boom! Stick the sides back to back. Some tape ought to do the trick. The round shapes can be tricky, but little cuts solve that problem. And on the inside, my teeny tiny crayon, of course. Add some extra fluff to make it easier to hold. And voila! A big crayon! Oh, I almost forgot the ears. Yay! It's finished! Check it out! Let's take this thing for a test drive. Hello, kitty! It's my favorite kitty. Well, yours is good too, I guess. Oh, thanks. Wow, how magnificent! Yep, I know. This class is such a joke. Where's my… Oh! Ugh! Come on! Open! Oh! My soda! Sorry, I guess. Ugh. Whatever. At least I have these. My favorite. You don't say. Kevin! Wait! The grease! No! Oh boy. Greasy fingers, huh? Guilty as charged. You good up there? Sorry! Everything's so slippery! Ugh. So funny. Wait. What's happening? Chip fingers? That's the worst. You have a napkin with you? 'Cause this problem's about to be solved. One more fold. Then a couple more this way. See? Now for the fun part. Chips are secured. This helps them sit higher up. Then use your napkin to grab a chip. See this? Grease-free. Thanks, bro! I like it. Bye! Shall we? I think I remember the folds. One back here, then another under here. And for the bag, 2 folds taped down on the bottom. And boom! Snack time! Nice!